Namaste. Welcome to the next talk in this series of talks from Heart to Heart, Volume 2. These are the talks and questions and answers from the proceedings of the seminars of Sahaj Marg held during September-October 1987 at France, Madagascar and Switzerland by Pujya Shri Parthasarthi Rajgopalachari Chari Ji Maharaj. Let us now listen to the next talk titled Seeing the Master. Many people used to ask Babuji this question. People come to you for a cure or for solving some family problems and you are accepting them. Will it be good for them? Babuji used to say, it does not matter why they come to me. Once they come, if they stay long enough, they will come to the spiritual way, and that is why it is good. There is no harm, you see, in bringing such persons. After all, we take a husband who doesn't want to go to the mountain. We are able to take him to the mountain. They don't enjoy the mountains. They would probably be at the seaside. I don't think any couple ever goes to one place both liking that place. It is always a compromise. So, why not here also a compromise? And as Irene said herself, she came with the husband not knowing why she has come, but now she knows. It's good. That is why when you go into a good thing, it is not necessary to know why you are going. So we should not hesitate to lovingly persuade our families, not only husband or wife, but sons, daughters. When you are convinced it is good for them, you are doing them a good service. So why should we hesitate? You see, now children are coming and they want to start meditation at 12, 13, 14 and we have to refuse them. We have to make them wait because they grow naturally with their parents into the system and that is how it should be. So please continue the good work. After a pause, there are two problems in seeing the master, maybe even three. I don't know. The first one is we want a human master who will be sympathetic to our faults and almost like us with all the human frailties, weaknesses, but with all the strengths necessary to take us up. I think this is the first problem, that we would like the master to be human, because otherwise we may find it difficult to follow him, you see. So we like to retain him as human being, and perhaps this is one reason why we talk of a master and his power, dividing him and his qualities. Whereas for me it is one and the same thing. I cannot think of a master without his powers. It is like saying there is a mango without mangoness in it, or lime without limeness in it. The thing is that what it is because of the qualities that it possesses. So how can a master not have whatever he should have? So when we artificially separate the two things, we want the man as he is and we want his powers separately, so that we can love the man without being afraid of his powers and use his powers without loving the man. Both come. So this separation we create artificially, and it is very common. Like a person would like to marry a millionaire for his money rather than for the person. Now there it is possible, because a man and his money are not the same thing, or a man and his house. They can be separated. But a master and his mastery, how can they be separated? Now, most of us, when we go to the master, we want his mastery to work for us and we want him to remain very much the human being, so that we can accept the combination of two. We are blocking our capacities by this fear that we introduce into the picture, and then the course we create so many rational excuses for this. Like one girl said, Babuji was so small and fragile. Another person says Babuji has a beard. These are all excuses which our intellect gives us for continuing to be as we are. The other problem is, if you accept his mastery, divinity, whatever it is, totally the fear comes. What will I do when his physical form disappears, as happened when Babuji passed away. This is the second reason why we would like him to be permanently human without the possibility of being an abstract master. Because it is possible to accept an ordinary human being whether he be master or not, but to accept and love an abstraction which has taken a form for a few days, few months, few years, we put ourselves in the position of children who love soap bubbles. Very nice, lot of beautiful colors, but we don't know which moment it will burst. So this is the second fear which keeps us away from the master. We are always afraid to love a thing which we may not have in the future. So this is the second barrier. I don't know if there is a third one, which may be quite likely. You see that if we accept him totally with devotion and love, the possibility of our self being divinized is enhanced, and we don't want to lose ourselves. We want to remain human beings. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. So you see, this is the last and most difficult problem to overcome. Because we may lose him, it's okay. It may not be such a big tragedy after all, you see, but to lose myself, and what is it that I am going to become? Will I be able to still retain my human qualities? And this you find in all this literature dealing with the life after death. To my mind, they are all lies. You know, you cross the barrier and you find your beloved waiting for you, or your dead wife wailing for you, or your dead mother waiting for you to welcome you. I cannot imagine this happening in real life, but we are so afraid of this transition from this life into the next that we create these fantasies and project it into a possible future, write about it as if it was real, and because the large bulk of humanity shares in these fears, the book sells millions of copies. I cannot conceive, after being with my master, that a soul can have its identity in a recognizable form in the hereafter. To know who it is, or to know who is coming across the border, it cannot possibly know this. Now I am talking of unliberated souls who are going to be reborn, because death removes this memory from this life. Then who is the child, who is the wife, who is the mother? And if the soul is liberated, it goes to the brighter world and has no more concern with us. If we understand this fact correctly, that at my death no other soul of a human being can be there to receive me, then comes the possibility of my overcoming this fear of losing my humanness and loving my master and surrendering to him. Because for him this barrier of death doesn't exist. He can pass through this barrier, or the border between the lives up and down, as many times as he chooses. Then comes the faith that when this life of mine is ending, he, the real beloved, will not wait at some abstract border of life, but he will be at my deathbed to take me away with him. That is the biggest fear and the biggest promise, both in one. So you see, there are three very vital reasons why we are unable: first, to accept the master; two, to love the master; and three, to surrender to the master. But until we do all these three things, we are going to have to face the immigration and customs authorities when we cross the life into the next life. Yes, because immigration asks, who are you? What are you? Dunes? Because of your sanskaras, and then where are we to go next? Most of us have to go back. Sorry, you cannot cross the border. Next life, so we need the master very much to take us across, and because everyone who is born is going to die, everyone needs the master. There can be no exception to this. So now if you love somebody so much, don't you think you must bring him or her to the master at the quickest possible moment? Because as Babuji said, death is one thing which does not wait, and we cannot know when our life is going to end. and he defined wisdom as leading life as if we are going to die the next moment, but we lead our life as if we were going to be millionaires the next moment or cinema stars, and we waste it. So that is the greatest need. As Babuji said, find the master, and having found him, bind him to yourself in such a way that you can never be separated from him. Thank you for listening. In the next narration, in the next week, we will commence the next talk titled One Method Done Well.